Your 2006 GMC Sierra's engine air filter is crucial for trapping dirt and debris, ensuring clean air reaches the engine. A dirty filter reduces performance, lowers fuel economy by up to 10%, and can damage internal engine components. Changing it is a simple DIY task that saves money and extends your truck's life. Modern diagnostic tools also help monitor engine codes to reduce guesswork when there are engine issues. The air filter housing is typically a black plastic box located on the driver's side of the engine compartment, near the front grille. Look for a box labeled Air. Access requires opening the hood and identifying the air intake hose connected to the box. The box is secured by either clamps or screws. Begin by disconnecting the air intake tube from the filter housing. This flexible tube connects the housing to the engine intake. Next, unfasten the clamps or screws that secure the box lid. These are typically located on the sides of the housing. Carefully remove the lid to expose the air filter inside the housing. Before removing the old filter, note its orientation. An arrow on the filter usually points toward the engine to ensure proper airflow. Finally, wipe the interior of the filter box with a clean cloth to remove any dust or debris, preventing contamination of the new filter. When selecting a replacement air filter for your 2000 to 2006 GMC Sierra, choose a panel-style filter designed specifically for these models. Look for filters that are approximately 10 by 6 inches in size. Trusted brands include AC Delco or equivalent options. For urban driving, consider HEPA options to better filter out pollution. Double-check the part number to ensure compatibility with your specific GMC Sierra model. Now we'll install the new air filter. Start by inserting the new filter into the housing, matching the orientation of the old filter. Ensure the filter sits flush within the housing for a proper seal. Replace the box lid and securely fasten the clamps or screws. Finally, reconnect the air intake tube. Installation complete. Remember to double-check all connections to prevent air leaks. After reassembly, double-check that all connections are secure and the air intake tube is properly attached. Confirm there are no air leaks around the filter housing to prevent contamination. While not always necessary, modern mechanics may use an OBD2 scanner to check for any related engine codes that could indicate issues. General Motors recommends changing the air filter every 12,000 miles or annually. Warning signs of a clogged filter include reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and a check engine light. Regular inspections during oil changes are advisable. Changing your GMC Sierra's air filter yourself can save you significant money compared to professional service. By doing the air filter change yourself, you can save between $50 and $100 compared to taking it to a shop. This is because labor costs are eliminated and the part itself is inexpensive. For environmental benefits, consider reusable or biodegradable filter options. While disposable filters are more common for older GMC Sierra models, eco-friendly alternatives help reduce landfill waste and are becoming more available. When choosing filters, consider MERV ratings, which indicate how effectively they trap particles. Higher ratings mean better filtration, which can improve engine performance and reduce emissions. Remember to dispose of used air filters responsibly. Place them in a plastic bag before trashing, or look for recycling options to minimize environmental impact. Electrification trends from GM's EV initiatives indirectly influence gas trucks like the Sierra. Some owners are retrofitting hybrid air systems for better efficiency, bridging traditional and electric technologies.